What are you saying, guys? It's him. Him is back. About to do another video, and I don't know what it's gonna be. Also, if you guys have any suggestions of a video you want me to do, tell me, and I should be sure to do it. Right now, I don't know what my friends are doing. I think they might play Super League Soccer. If they do, I'm gonna join them. They are the best people at Super League Soccer. They even have, like, they got the best team. Best team on Super League Soccer. And I know them, and I'm part of the team. Ideally, I should get in, but if I don't, we won't worry and we'll do MVSD. Gonna fast forward it. Guys, here we are right in the game. And this is the best team. Grind.FC. Let's ask them to sub. Can you sub? Sapphire. Whoa, this is the best one. Party's already full. Sapphire. Second best team, Grinder FC. There you have it. There you have it. Tag someone right now. The best people. Joy from Sapphire. Storm is from Grinder FC. Don't mind the people in the background. I would have stopped this video, but you guys have to see the best team play. You have to see the best team play. You have to see the best team play. Come on. Admit it. You have to see the best team play. Oh, reset. Alright, I need to go a different position. I don't know how this thing is gonna work. Best! No! Join my team. He left Grinder FC. Oh my goodness! What did he just do? Grinder FC, the best team.
Yeah.
You guys getting this viral? Tag someone right now. I am.